Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 1, Milford 1. TS Galaxy wins via penalties. I'm joined by Fan Mapradika Mawanu Puma Wupi.
Igama uSipho Masana uphonhlala khona la.
Yebo baba.
Angiphumi ngihlala
la.
Ahe.
Igame ibone kanjani time la?
No, idlala kamnandi khulu. TS Galaxy dunguze kamnandi khulu.
Yes.
Nje iNedbank vele nge-TS Galaxy.
Niyayithatha.
Na kanjani?
Ya ngenka.
Na kanjani?
Ngiphi man of the match baba wami?
Goalkeeper
ne?
Yeah.
Usavile. Ya usavile. Trotman imamela ukuthi iNedbank ithini? Ethi mangathathi personal loan ye 9,000 rand. Next game uzindonga makangakora. Leyo mali yakho ubhatala nix.
Le 9,000
Eyakho.
ngiyayilanda
Ilande baba wami. Baba